Dear children, in the previous video session, you learnt about 8 parts of speech. The first part of speech was the noun. A noun is name of a person, a thing, a place, or an animal. The name of anything is called a noun. In this video session, you are going to learn how to convert the singular nouns into a plural nouns. To remember this correctly, just look at this word singular. When you pronounce this word singular, that means single. This word has come out from the word single. Single means one. And pronounce the word plural. Plural, what is spelling? Plural. So PLU, this word has come out from the word plus, that is adding to the number 1. So singular means 1 and plural means more than 1. So in this video session, let us learn the rules about how to convert the singular nouns into a plural nouns. Let's move on to the video session now. Now look at these words. The first person words are I and me. I is singular form. And when you convert this I into a plural form, it becomes we. Same way, me is in singular form. When you convert this me into a plural form, it becomes us. So, me is singular and us is plural. Look at the second person you. You is the same word in both the forms. You may be in singular form or you may be in plural form, that is more than one also. And look at this third person words, that is he or she. When you convert this he or she into plural forms, it becomes they. So he becomes they or she becomes they when converted into plural form. Him or her becomes them. Him or her is in singular form. When converted into plural, both the words becomes them. Now, singular noun, that means one person, one place or one thing is said to be in the singular number. For example, a bird. This is a bird. That means only one bird. This is a leaf. A leaf means only one leaf. This is a tiger. A tiger. A tiger is only one. So a bird, a leaf and a tiger, all these three are in singular form. For example, one flower, one bird, one bottle. Now, this is a flower. That means one flower. It is a bird. That means only one bird. It is a bottle. So, only one bottle. The noun that means more than one person, place, one thing or one animal is said to be in the plural number. For example, feet. Feet is a plural form of foot. Mice. Mice is a plural form of mouse. Women. Women is the plural form of women. Men. Men is the plural form of man. Children. Children is the plural form of a child. Children, here are some of the rules to convert the singular nouns into a plural nouns. To change the nouns from singular to plural, we normally add the letter S at the end of the word. For example, girl. Girl is in singular form. When you convert this girl into plural, it becomes girls by adding S to the word girl. Next example is pen. Pen is in singular form. The plural form of pen is pens because you're adding S to the word pen. Third example is ball. Ball is in singular form. When you convert this ball into plural, it becomes ball by adding S to the word ball. Add es to the nouns that ends in ch, sh, o, s, ss, x and z to get their plural forms. Look at these examples. Dish. D-I-S-H. This word dish ends with the letters S-H. To make it plural, you have to add E-S to this word dish. So dish is in singular form. When you add es to this word dish, it becomes dishes. Dishes is in plural form. That is more than one dish. Second example is bus. B-U-S, bus. Now this word bus ends with the letter S. So again you have to add es to make it plural. Bus, buses. Next example is match. M-A-T-C-H. This word match ends with the letters CH. So again to make it plural, you have to add ES to the word match. Match is in singular form and matches is in plural form. Next example is dress. D-R-E-S-S. So this word ends with the letters S-S. So again to make it plural, you have to add es to this word dress to make it plural. Another example is blitz. B-L-I-T-Z. So this word ends with the word with the letter Z. So again to make it plural, you have to add es. So blitzes is in plural form. Here are few more examples to make it clear. Ostrich. Again this word ends with the letters CH. The last two letters are CH. So to make it plural, you have to add ES. Ostrich, ostriches. Next example is fox. This word ends with the letter X. To make it plural, you have to add ES. Fox, foxes. Look at the third word, princess. Princess ends with the letters SS. The last two letters are SS. To make it plural, you have to add ES after SS. Prince, princess. There are some nouns ending in Y. So such words, to make them plural, we have to add only the letter S. For example, the word monkey. The spelling of this word monkey is M-O-N-K-E-Y. Now, if you take the last two letters, that is E-Y. Now, Y is preceded by a vowel. Vowel is E. E is the vowel here and Y is preceded by a vowel. That means before Y, before the letter Y, a vowel is there. If such words are there, we have to add only the letter S to make them plural. Another example is key, keys. Here also Y is preceded by a vowel. Another example, tray, trays. To make it plural, we are adding only the letter S because Y is preceded again by a vowel A. Valley, valleys, way, ways, guy, guys, essay, essays, turkey, turkeys. So all these words Y is preceded by a vowel. When Y is preceded by a vowel, we have to add the letter S to make such nouns plurals. Look at the first example, city. C-I-T-Y. Now, this T is a consonant followed by the letter Y. So here, because a consonant is followed by Y, we have to drop that Y and add IES to the word SIT. So, city, city is in singular form. By dropping Y and adding IES, it becomes a plural form. Next example is country. C-O-U-N-T-R-Y. So, before Y, R is there. R letter is a consonant. So, we have to drop this Y and add IES to make it a plural. City, cities. Country, countries. Here are few more examples. Take the word cherry. C-H-E-R-R-Y. So consonant is followed by Y. That is, R is a consonant. It is followed by Y. So here we will drop the letter Y and add IES to make it plural. Cherry, cherries. Same way baby. B-A-B-Y. So B is a consonant followed by Y. So again we will drop the letter Y and add IES to make it plural. Baby, babies. Some nouns ends in Y preceded by a consonant. For example, army. Here the word is ending with the letter Y, but it is preceded by a consonant. The consonant is M. So after M, Y is there. So such type of nouns, we have to drop Y and add IES to make them plural. Another example is baby. This word also ends with the letter Y, but Y letter is preceded by a consonant B. So again we have to drop the letter Y and add IES to make this word a plural. Some other examples: berry, berries, country, countries, duty, duties, enemy, enemies, family, families, lady, ladies, story, stories, variety, varieties. All these words are ending with the letter Y but preceded by a consonant. So we are dropping the letter Y in all these words and adding up IES to make these words plural. Some nouns end with F or FE but not FF or FFE. So such nouns we have to change F or FE to VES to form the plural forms. For example, calf, CALF. This word ends with the letter F. To make it plural, we have to drop F and add VES. So calves. Calves is the plural form of calf. CALVES. So you are dropping F and writing VES in the place of F to make this calf word plural. Next example is knife. KNIFE. So the last two letters are FE. So to make it plural, we have to remove FE and add VES. Another example, scarf. SCARF. So the plural form of scarf is SCARVES. So you are removing F and writing VES in place of F to make it plural. Shelf. This word ends with F. To make it plural, remove F and write VES to make it plural. Wolf. WOLF. Again the word is ending with F. So remove F and write VES to make it plural. Wife. WIFE. So this word ends with two letters. The last two letters are FE. To make it plural, you are removing FE and writing VES. WIVES is the plural form of wife. Some nouns ends with O. The nouns which ends with O, we have to add ES to make them plural. For example, hero. Hero is a singular form. So to make it plural, we have to add ES because this word ends with O. HERO plus ES becomes the plural form of hero, that is heroes. Hero, heroes. Echo, echoes. Cargo, cargoes. Buffalo, buffaloes. Potato, potatoes. Tomato, tomatoes. Zero, zeros. So all these nouns we have to add ES because all these nouns are ending with O and we have to add ES to make them plural. There are also some nouns which ends with O, but here you will not add ES. Just add S, the letter S to make them plural. For example, dynamo, then piano. All these words are ending with O, but you are not going to add ES. You have to just add the letter S to make them plural. Let us take a look at these compound nouns. Here the main noun is made plural. For example, post office. The main noun is office. So this word becomes plural. Post offices. Another example, secretary of state. Here secretary word is the main noun. So this word becomes plural. Secretaries of state. Another example is son-in-law. So the main noun is son. So this word becomes plural. Sons-in-law. Men servant is a plural of man servant because man is the main noun. So that word man becomes plural. Another example is commander in chief. Here the main word is commander. So commanders is the plural form of commander. Then he man. Man is the main noun. So it becomes men when you make it plural. He men. Passers by. Passer is the main noun. So when you make it plural it becomes passers by. The singular and plural forms of some of the nouns remains the same. For example, cattle, aircraft, bison, deer, fish, information, luggage, sheep, swine, etc. etc. And there are some nouns whose plural forms only exist. For example, mathematics, scissors, series, pants, measles, trousers, spectacles, means, news, etc. etc. There are some nouns which ends with ex. To make them plural, we have to change ex into ics. For example, word text. Here, the last two letters are ex. So remove ex and write ices to make it plural. Same way, index, indices. So here you are removing ex and writing ices to make them plural. Nouns ends with the letters on. To make such nouns plural, we have to remove the last two letters on and write a in the place of on. So some examples are given here. For example, criterion, phenomenon. If you take a look at these two words, the ending letters are on. So to make them plural, we have to remove on and write a to make them plural. There are some nouns which ends with a but not ia. So such nouns you have to add only the letter e to make them plural. For example, alga. So to make it plural you have to add just the letter e, algae. Antenna, antennae. Larva, larvae. Vertebra, vertebrae. So here you are writing only the letter e. You are adding the letter e after the letter a to make them plurals. Nouns which ends with you have to remove and write a in place of these two letters to make such nouns plural. For example, bacterium. The last two letters are So remove and write a to make it plural. Bacterium, bacteria. Datum, data. Curriculum, curriculum. Medium, medium. Memorandum, memorandum. Stratum, stratum. So to make such nouns plural, you have to remove and write a in place of to make them plurals. There are some nouns which ends with us. To make such nouns plural, you have to remove us and write I in place of us. For example, illuminous. So the plural form of illuminous is illumini. You are removing us and writing I in place of us. Cactus, cacti. Focus, foci. Nucleus, nuclei. Radius, radii. Syllabus, syllabi. Terminus, termini, etc. etc. There are some nouns which ends with is. Now, for example, analysis. So this word ends with is. So such type of nouns you have to remove is and add es. Another example, axis, basis, osis, synopsis, synthesis. All these words are ending with is. So you have to remove is and add es to make them plural. Now let us take a look at the irregular nouns. There are some irregular nouns. We have to write different words to make them plural. For example, child. Child means it is in singular form. To make it plural, we have to write children. R-E-N is added. child, children. Same with die, D-I-E, die. To make it plural, we have to write D-I-C-E, dies. Same way foot, feet, goose, geese, woman, women, ox, oxen, person, people. So all these are irregular nouns. Then watch this video again and again till you're thorough with all the rules. Then only it will be easy for you to convert all the singular nouns into plural nouns. Thank you.